the Astra theme. Now, I used to use Astra all the time, but if you look at my past WordPress tutorials over the last 2 years, I no longer use it. The main reason why is because they insert so many plugins in the theme, and it actually makes the theme a little unstable. When using the Astra theme, you'll be constantly bombarded with ads asking you to upgrade to the Pro. They also tend to install a lot of unnecessary plugins on your website that cause conflict on your WordPress websites. And that's perfectly fine. You know, they're trying to make money. I totally get it. But the issue is when these plugins start conflicting with the theme, that's when it becomes a problem. Besides the annoying ads, it just became quite a problem for me when the theme customizers are not opening, pages glitching out, theme options not responding to me, or template imports that just didn't work well. And don't get me wrong here, Astra makes great products. They have the Spectra 1 product that is a great product, and also LayPoint. They recently acquired LayPoint, and this is a great booking plugin. So for me personally, I felt the ads they put in the back end of Astra was just way too excessive, way too spammy. And since I had issues with the theme during my WordPress tutorials, I just couldn't use it anymore. So that's my position on that. I definitely wouldn't say it's a bad theme. I just think they need to tone down the ads and get rid of all those unnecessary plugins they put on every single template. Now there are other themes that I do like, but I wouldn't say they're the best.